Pocket POS also has the functionality to clearly show on the printout which items are part of which course. This makes the order a lot clearer for the kitchen, which is often busy, and clear printouts are easier to read. For example, a table orders chips and whitebait for their starter, and a lasagna and a pizza for their main course. Select Line at the bottom left of their screen to add a line to the order, and select Starter. A starter line will appear on the order. Select and hold this and drag this to the top of the menu. Do the same thing again, selecting Main this time. This will easily see which items need to be prepared for which course. This is especially useful in the case for certain items which may be more ambiguous. For example, if someone orders a halloumi salad as a starter, and someone else orders a chicken salad as a main, these items can be moved into the right places in order to avoid confusion. As always, once the order is ready, select Save and then Print.